You get hooked up there, Jess?
Look.
What just happened? God, man, I got a big one. Check that out. Hey.
That's how your video should start.
The goal today out here in one of the tributaries of the Indian River is to catch pretty much anything that swims. We are fishing for snook, tarpon, ladyfish, jacks, trout. It's just a good day to be out. It's nice and cool. It's in January. My buddy Joe Strahl is putting us out on his boat. Yeah, he just moved back from Ohio and I'm seeing bait already, so it's time to fish.
Patrol motor's on, by the way. You have to pop up there. It's all you up there.
All right. So I just got my Stratic 3000. Pitching, I think that's 10 or 12 pound mono. We're gonna start out with a jerk bait. There's fish jumping everywhere here.
Look at him cut. Look at him go.
On the ultralight, 4 pound test. What you got there, Joe? Looks like a trout.
Yeah.
This little 16th ounce paddle tail right there. That's all we need, catching these little fish.
There's another one.
Pretty much missed all of that. The fish are going off and I had like grease all over the camera. But we're flipping around right now. There's jacks and ladyfish everywhere. Look at those little acrobatic things.
Not the quote-unquote game fish, but something to do on a windy January day, right?
Yeah, can't do this in Kentucky, that's for sure.
Poor man's tarpon.
Yep, a little tarpon. Nice.
Jess is on.
Jess is on too.
I think he's got a good one there.
Yep. Oh man.
Much better.
Love it. Oh, these are gonna be some sick still shots. You're on camera, Jess. Most fun I've seen you have since the other night.
There we go. I got a snapper.
You got a snapper on?
I do. Little mangrove with the speck jig.
Oh man.
Came out.
There it is. Jeez.
Little mangrove snapper on the jig.
There you go. That's a pretty little fish, man.
He's got all kinds of color on him.
I think that was my first official hookup of the day.
You freaking blew it.
I'm getting off the boat. Just came tight on something. Yeah, they're hitting it.
There he is.
Man.
Yep, I'm on already. It just hit the water. There he is.
So crazy, man.
About to get a triple header.
They're right on this side, Jess.
Threw it straight out.
He ain't throwing this jig. I was trying to get him to.
Yep.
Man, it's so crazy. You called it, man. They're out here.
I ain't been back here in 5 years.
Now you're just flexing. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
You know, it's time. They follow the same pattern. People make it harder than it needs to be. Look at them chasing in.
Are you on, Jess?
Yeah. Wow. They're sitting thick right in that corner.
I'm on. Come on, Joe. There's a triple header. This one inhaled the bait. What's going on here? There he is. Chafed me up a little bit. I think I'll be okay. That dude was hitting you non-stop, man. Fish on! Oh, man. Right against the boat, man. Yeah, I thought I had a lot bigger of a fish than I did a while ago. It's my bad. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna flip us up in there. Pretty old gal. Switch it up to top water. Let's see what hits this.
They're all over it. Look, I'm chasing it.
Yeah.
Got him.
Jeez.
He's on.
That's a bigger one there.
Yep.
Dude, he's got it in his mouth now.
That one's a blood bath.
You hooked up too?
Oh, yeah.
Oh man, we're all three hooked up. Nice. What you got there, buddy?
Got an angry one.
Oh, man. They look like little bonefish coming through the water, don't they?
They do.
Probably the coolest thing that's happened to me so far. Topwater strike, nice ladyfish. Let's get back out there. And where's that at?
Head straight. Here, I'll use the main motor and get us over there, save some time.
All right.
It's over.
This place is so scenic, man.
Oh, it is.
It's so scenic out here. Right now we're getting ready to go troll plugs for snook, but I just can't get over how beautiful it is out here. It's just a perfect day to be out on the river. You don't have to be fishing, just a great day to be outdoors.
To that side.
I'll go out the middle. How much line you want out?
Like a good cast.
All right, there we go.
What's going on? Let's see if we come across anything. Get some fish.
You got a fish on?
Yeah. Jack for Bill. Keep on trolling. Don't reel them in.
Yep.
That's cool. Yep, that's a jack.
Joe Strahl is legendary.
Just a jack.
He's got rod holders nailed down all over that stuff. Oop. I think I hit a rock.
Oh, there goes a snook right there. There's more
Fish
all
on.
around the boat. Fish?
Yep.
There's a bunch of snook we just went over right here. It's got hit too.
Which way you want me to take it?
Just keep on fighting it. And we keep moving here.
Yep, it's a jack. Snagged him. I think I've got a jack too.
Come on, Tiff. Look at this dude.
Nice.
It's like Joe's nature tours.
Look at them, dude. Wonder if he'll try to take these jacks.
I think he would. That's a thing to keep in mind, landing fish back here.
But we didn't get anything trolling for like 10 minutes, so we pulled up and hammered down to this spot here. We're gonna play with ladyfish and whatever else bites. I've got a topwater on. I really want some more topwater action. Okay. Gosh, I want one to hit this topwater again.
I've never
I know it. Ooh, Jess, Jess, can you get that off her?
Yeah, I'll try.
Jess, Jess, you gotta hurry, man. Cut your line. Something.
This is the moment he's been waiting for.
Oh my God.
You guys are a mess. Absolute mayhem.
This is like worst timing ever. Friggin'.
I just look up and you're untying his line. There's ladyfish flying in every direction.
Nice.
Got me on my motor.
This is a blast on top water. I just wish I had single hooks. Oh man. There's another jump. Switch back to the jig. The other boys are catching them on.
Surface model.
Yeah, I'm getting bit too.
Whoa, that was a big one.
Ah, man.
That was a big lady.
Oh, I'm on again. They're right behind us. Turn us around here.
Over here.
Over here. I'm
Doubled up. Nope. I'm gonna keep it in what I'm on again. They're hitting it. Ah, man. Nice. Quick release, Jess. Now if I can get mine to do that. Yep. There it is. Hang on, boys. I'm turning this around. Oh, I'm on. Man. As soon as I hit the water.
I just got a bite over there.
I don't understand how people get tired of these things, man. Like, if I knew I could come out here and catch a fish that'd pull this hard. Oh, ah, there he is. Jeez. Look at that jump, man.
Pretty cool, ain't it?
Yeah. So acrobatic. Like, I thought smallmouth were acrobatic.
Wait till you get in the tarpon fishing, man. You'll get a 150-pound tarpon will be that agile.
Jeez. Getting it by the boat. Just gonna try a slow retrieve. See what happens.
Just gonna go tap, tap, tap.
Such a freaking predator, man. Jeez. Just crank it in like that. Boom, 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 boom. I just heard you hook up.
Yep. These things love they're really nocturnal and they love shrimp. They're out in the main river.
Holy crap, man. This is so much fun here. I got a jack. There's another jack hitting it.
Really?
Yep, we're on some jacks here, boys. Live action. This is a blast. How many times have you been sharked in here?
I haven't had it happen in here.
All right. Hey, I put that on there. Little crappie bait.
1, 2, and 3.
All right, camera's rolling, guys.
It's like a puppet show over here.
Oh,
That was real difficult there. Right. Cameron's back on the fish.
these really do fight like a smallmouth, man. Yeah, jumps. Pull me under the boat. Man, why is this one so hard?
He's a thicker fish.
There he is.
Whoa, look out.
What's going on over here?
Taking fire over here.
What'd Jess do? Put one in your lap?
Reminded me he's still active duty.
Well, I've got ladyfish slime all over me. Fish on, fish on.
Coming across. Another one.
Look at him go out there.
I can't keep up with him.
Down with the king.
Spit that hook, baby. I'm giving him all the slack in the world when he jumps. And this doesn't even look like a fish anymore. I've got to... Oh, all right.
2 of them.
You're gonna get some of this ladyfish action over here.
They might eat them out for a line here. That's what a big full redfish looks like in the river.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Well, I was like, dude, what the heck is this coming up?
I found where the ladyfish are, guys. These things really can put out some weight.
Coming back towards us.
Nice. I really want to see one of these things up close. Come on. Come on, fella. Come up again, right in front of me. I want to see you. Sounds like me getting up off the couch.
Sounds like me trying to take another bite of my burger.
Is your all's food all right? Oh, it just came up close to us, man. They're right here in front of us, guys.
Here we go. Get ready.
Oh boy.
He's gonna go right towards it. Oh, here he goes.
Oh gosh.
Get the camera ready.
Oh, you got a jack. Nope.
I have 2 on.
I'm trying. I can't. I turned the
Oh, he came off.
trolling motor off. I'm gonna turn this around so we can. Did you get hooked up
Look
there,
at this.
Jess?
Look.
What just happened?
I think he went after the ladyfish I just let go.
Oh,
The ladyfish must have been chilling at the boat. They're not a pleasant thing. They're mean.
geez, that was awesome.
He's like, thank you.
That was crazy.
That was so intense. Holy moly.
Ooh. There went my bait.
Here comes the dolphin. Coming. I just had one too. I'm on. Was on.
Man, these things are so strong.
Dolphins definitely led us to the fish.
Yeah, they did. They're like, they're over here, boys. There you go.
I heard the clicks. If I get one under the boat again, getting it down on the floor of the boat, you'll hear them.
Clicking to it.
Yeah.
So the dolphins are kind of leading us around, showing us where the fish are.
Yeah.
These ladyfish are just killing it right here.
He's on. Oh boy, we got all the dolphins in the creek right here. Flip them in the boat. Just flip them in the boat. There.
Jeez. Well, that wraps it up here. I think the dolphin show we just got, they were just, that was amazing. That was amazing, getting to watch stuff like that. Us Kentucky boys don't get to see dolphins every day, so watching them hunt ladyfish right in front of us was pretty cool. But Joe, man, thanks for taking me out on your boat.
You're welcome. It's been a pleasure. Can't wait to do it again.
Yep, and we're not looking forward to the to getting home, but we're looking forward to getting back with our wife and our families. Thanks for watching.